How to turn on car mode in Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can turn on car mode on Spotify. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Spotify application in your mobile device. After you do that, now you have to connect to your car's Bluetooth or a USB cable if you have a car that supports it. So in order to connect to your car's Bluetooth, open up Bluetooth in your device and then make sure it is turned on. Then you have to pair with your car's Bluetooth, and once paired, you can head back to Spotify. And once connected, Spotify should automatically detect your car's connection and will display car mode interface. There you have to tap on it and your car mode is now turned on. And you can use car mode to control your music while on the road. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.